As a scientist, you are in the best position to PI. Okay, PI is just an abbreviation so that you'll be able to memorize it better. You're in the best position to persuade, to inform, and to educate.
Social science, communication science, and the physical sciences are much more powerful in making a difference when they're combined in a team.
How you think being optimistic is the solution to all the difficulties.
But I think we need to have more of those cross-pollination, cross-fertilization of ideas and situations. It's happening in the Philippines. And so I'm optimistic it will happen more.
As ASEAN, we are in the best position to ensure that the effects of climate change are dealt with in the most effective way possible, through collaborative and concerted effort.
I'd like to commend you and the organizers of this assembly and this workshop series for this initiative, this innovation, for being able to bridge the gap, the communication gap of the scientists and them being, and allowing them to have their voices heard for their stakeholders, for their beneficiaries.
Let's continue the fire burning. Let's continue to share our blessings to everyone. Let's continue to create positive changes in the lives of the people and the environment through research. Let's communicate science to the society. Thank you very much.